Don't cook potatoes before watching this video. Now I only cook potatoes this way. To start, put 17.6 ounces of potatoes cut into cubes in a pot with water. Add salt to taste, and let them cook for about 15 minutes. The potatoes will be ready when you stick a fork in them and they are nice and soft. This is the secret to getting a smooth mixture later. Once they are cooked, remove the potatoes from the pot and transfer them to a bowl. Now it's time to mash the potatoes well. The better they are mashed, the more uniform the dough for the balls will be. Next, add 1 egg. Now mix and mash everything very well. Here I like to mash it with my hand because that way you can feel the texture of the dough and make sure everything is well combined. Now it's time to add Parmesan cheese to taste. The Parmesan will bring a special flavor and make these potato balls even more irresistible. Keep mashing and mixing well. You can already imagine the delicious smell they will have after frying. Now let's season the mixture. Add salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and also parsley to taste. Parsley adds a fresh touch and also makes the potato balls look nicer. To give the dough the right consistency, add 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Keep mixing well until you get a firm dough that is easy to shape. If the dough is at the right point, it won't stick too much to your hands and it will be perfect for shaping the balls. Now shape the potato balls into a round form. Take small portions of the dough and roll them in your hands to form small balls. Continue shaping until all the dough is finished. With the balls ready, now it's time to fry them. Pour oil into a pot and let it heat well. When the oil is hot, carefully add the potato balls. Little by little you will see them starting to turn golden. Now turn the balls so they fry evenly on all sides. This is the moment when they become golden and crispy on the outside, while staying soft on the inside, and the smell will start filling the kitchen. Once they are well fried, remove the potato balls and place them on paper towels to drain the excess oil. The fried potato balls are ready. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside and full of flavor. Perfect to serve as a snack, side dish, or even for a special treat. Once you make them, it's hard to stop eating. Try it at home and tell me in the comments what you think.